Ooh, I am looking super blushed and bronzed today, and I am noticing that highlighter. Hey girl, hey. So today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial or hairstyle tutorial for you guys. I actually did this hairstyle not last video, but the video before that. You guys liked it, so I thought, well, I'll do a tutorial for you. So really quick, I washed my hair with this shampoo and conditioner set. This is L'Oreal Color Vibrancy. You know, it's supposed to resist color fade and all that. It's for normal color treated hair, yada, yada, yada. It's probably meant for people who dye their hair, maybe darker shades or other shades other than blonde. I'm not even sure if this is supposed to work for blonde, but I just like the shampoo and conditioner, so I've been using it. Soon as I got out of the shower, I put my hair in this hair towel. I don't like using regular towels on my hair. I like to use my special hair towel or a t-shirt, or if I have no other choice, I will use a regular towel. But this one, I forget the brand, oh my gosh. Let's see, Aquas maybe? I don't know. I will find the review video that I made when I first got this towel so you guys can know what kind it is. This is the best hair towel on the earth, and if you've got a better one out there that is better than this one, I would love to try it, but until then, this one is my go-to every day of life. I'm addicted to it. I've had it for a while now, and it's the best towel ever. Best hair towel ever. So the first thing I'm going to be applying to my hair is this It's a 10 Potion 10. I like to spray it in my hand. And then I like to rub my hands together and just apply it all over my hair. Like this. If you see me looking over this way, I'm actually looking at my mirror. So the second product I'm going to be applying is also from It's a 10, and it's also from the Potion 10 line, but this is the Miracle Styling Potion. And I just like to put just a little bit, not too much, and I apply it the same way that I applied the Miracle Leave-In. Rub my hands together and just start applying it everywhere. Then I like to go in with my It's a 10 Miracle Blow Dry Volumizer. I don't know why, but using these three products together, they just I don't know why they work so well, especially when used together. So I actually made a video on all three of these products before. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. I also showed you guys that It's a 10 was using my video on their website, which is so awesome. And then the other day my mom was scrolling through Facebook and she sees my video pop up on the It's a 10 Facebook page, and I just thought that was so cool because I didn't even know they were going to use it for their Facebook, so I was like, that's awesome. Okay, so I just like to spray it all over and then just make sure it is evenly distributed everywhere. Mind you, I have not brushed my hair out. I give you my word, I have not brushed my hair out. Look at this. It is tangle free. It's awesome. Yeah, anyways, and as you can see, my hair is already starting to dry quickly. I don't know what it is about these products, but that happens. Okay, so I'm going to blow dry my hair with my blow dryer, and I'm gonna do that off camera because it's kind of time consuming and I get a little crazy. I like to blow dry my hair upwards. I like to go this way, this way. I like to bend over and do my hair like this, upside down, and just blow dry it in every direction possible because I just want that lift in volume. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'll see you in a few minutes, and I will show you how I style my hair. Okay, so I just got done blow drying my hair, and honestly, I feel like my hair looks really nice right now, and I don't want to curl it and make this hairdo, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. So anyways, after blow drying my hair, I just went through it with my wet brush that needs really cleaned out, but that's okay. Anyway, so I'm going to pull up the top part of my hair just to separate it a little bit so I can start to curl. So I'm going to be using a clampless curling iron. This is hot pink and black. Isn't it so cute? This is from PYT, and I think I put it on the highest heat settings. No, I didn't. Let's see, it goes all the way up to 450. I'm gonna put it back down to 390. Good thing about my It's a 10 products is it has a heat protectant in it, so that's awesome. Anyway, so I'm just going to wrap my hair around like this, and I'm holding the curling iron downward because that's the way I like to do it. And I'm just going to start curling my hair. So if you want bigger, looser curls, use more hair. If you want smaller, tighter curls, use less hair. With the bigger curls, you would want to leave your hair on for a less amount of time. And for tighter curls, leave it on longer. The hairdo that I did the other day really wasn't so much about the curls, but I wanted my hair to have some kind of curl or wave going on. So I did curl it ahead of time. But the main part of that hairdo was the fact that it was partially pulled up and teased a little bit. So I'm not using any extensions today because I didn't use them the other day when I had that hairdo, so I figured really don't need them at the moment. Obviously this doesn't take me very long. Even though I have long hair, I don't have a lot of hair, so I can kind of just go through this quickly. Okay, so I'm done with the bottom half, and I'm just gonna kind of shake it a little bit just so that the curls aren't so curly. And now I'm gonna go in and do the top part of my hair. I'm gonna start with the back first just to get that over with, and then I will concentrate on the front. So I'm done with the back, and now I'm going for the front pieces. You guys would not believe how soft and nice my hair feels right now. I wish you could feel it. Okay, so I'm completely done curling all of my hair. I'm gonna check out what the back looks like now. Okay, not too bad, girl. Now I'm ready to get started on the little poofs that I had. So for this next part, you're going to need a teasing comb, whichever one works for you. This one I think is, yeah, it's from Conair. I really like this one. It's got two different sides. These are further apart, these are smaller and closer. And you're also going to need some bobby pins. Now, I normally wear my hair parted this way. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the other day I parted it a different way. So what I'm going to do is tease my hair. I'm gonna start at the back. And basically what I'm doing, I'll show you really quick. Just taking the comb, sticking it in there, and pulling it down. So it creates a little volume, which is needed for my little poofs. Why do I feel like I've done this tutorial before? I don't know. Maybe I have. But it's okay. Different location, different year, different age. Oh well. Alright, so now I've got some good volume, and what I'm going to do now is take a moment and appreciate the fact that I look like Mufasa right now. I'm gonna separate my hair that way. If you notice, I didn't curl these little front pieces, which were my bangs, because I'm gonna leave them out. Basically what I like to do, I take my little handy dandy hand right here, and I just kind of like find some pieces that, just like this, I like to just go that much above my ear and find some little pieces, let some front pieces fall, and then I just take my bobby pin and I pin it while pushing it upward so it creates like that little poof. We're going to do the same thing on this side, letting some of those pieces fall. Grabbing it with my hand and pushing it upward and bobby pinning it. Now, sometimes these sides might be different, so you can work on them, you can fix them. I'm gonna lightly just kind of pull these pieces of hair so that they kind of more like fall. And if you want them to be more even, you can just pull some hair up. If you need to add more bobby pins, you can. And that's basically it. So, got some little curls here, got some little volume, some little oomph at the top of my head, and I've got a hairdo. Now, let's see what the back looks like, because normally I do not pay attention to the back. I don't actually care about the back that much. And if you're standing behind me and you're staring at the back of my head, that's your problem, not mine. Okay, the back doesn't look that bad, so whatever. Like I said, your problem, not mine, because I don't care. voila, I am done with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope I taught you something today. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like this hairdo? Are you gonna try it? You gonna imitate it? Girl, let me know. Now, honestly, I'm not sure because I haven't looked yet, but it might not look exactly the same way as it did the other day because I always kind of do things differently. I don't always do it like exactly the same way, and I have a hard time like recreating certain looks because I just wing it sometimes, you know what I mean? I just go with the flow and whatever happens, happens. Yeah, I'm done with this video. Like I said, I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Once again, this was the PYT clampless iron, Conair teasing comb, bobby pins, and all of my It's a 10 products. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch me. See you later. Bye.